We love Hakka。
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month we're teaching a phrase that's called cannot or can't. How do you say that? 没办法。
冇法度。
冇法度。什么时候没办法干嘛呢？比如说，好啦，接下来可能要出国旅游啊，先订好机位啦，可是或饭店啦，然后有的时候到某一个日期你就不能取消了，对不对？
对啊，因为他也不会退你钱。
没错，那就一定要去啦。对。
可是有事啊，怎么去
That's true. Okay, so we're going to put you in a situation where maybe you booked an airline ticket, you already passed the cancellation date, and you just can't go, but you can't cancel it as well, all right? 好，明天呢，我临时有事，不能跟你出国玩了。Something came up and I can't go abroad with you tomorrow.
天公日，
天公日，
我临時有事，
我臨時有事，
做唔得，
做唔得，
老唔出國去了咧。
老唔出國去了咧。要撩就是去玩嘛，
去玩
對不對？
了。
去撩 means to go and have fun. And 臨時叫做
臨時，
臨時 that something came up suddenly, okay? And I just can't go. But you can't cancel your airline ticket as well. 可是没辦法取消機位了耶。
唔過冇法度，
唔過冇法度，
至少飛行機位咧。
至少飛行機位咧。飛行機 V， 飛行機就是飛機嘛，然後 V 就是位置嘛，對不對？
飛行機是飛機，
是飛機，
那
對。
飛行機 V 就是
位置，
哎，飛機機位。
對，那個 V 嘛就是位置，然後取消 to cancel，
取消，
取消 ，OK，that is to cancel。好啦，那这样的話就看看那件事情能不能延期啦，延一下啦 ，All right， 我來問問看能不能延期。Let me ask around and see if I can delay what I need to do tomorrow。
我來問看啊，
我來問看啊，
做得延期嗎？
做得延期嗎？延期應該就是延期 ，right? Means to actually push it back, right? To delay whatever you want to do a little bit later. And let me ask around，要來問看看。
問看啊，
問看啊 ，Okay, that means to ask around. All right. So hopefully you'll be able to untie things and go and have fun. Let's review some of these phrases, such as 臨時 temporary,
臨時，
臨時 and then to cancel 取消，
取消，
取消 and then to delay 延期，
延期，
延期 All right. And it's all about the phrase again. 沒辦法，
冇法度，
冇法度。That is today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
按子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.